8th standard English. Today we are going to see the grammar part. So chapter 2 on transformation of sentences. In the transformation of sentences, first we are going to see the interchange of sentences. In option A, changing an affirmative into negative and negative into affirmative. So affirmative is nothing but the positive sentences, and negative, as usual, you know about the negative sentences. So first example we can see that they are our children is a affirmative sentence. So it is a normal sentence and a simple sentence. It comes in a positive format. They are not our children. So it is, so when we put the not here, it becomes as a negative sentences. All these are not my books. So you can see here not as a, so it is a negative sentence. All these are my books is a positive sentence, so it is called as an affirmative sentence. Changing affirmative into negative and negative into affirmative without changing the meaning. So here the meaning will change because they are our children, they are not our children. So here affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative we have seen, but without changing the meaning we have to change the affirmative to the negative and negative to the affirmative sentence. So a few examples has been given here, we can see now. First one, everybody will accept that he is a nice man. So it is a affirmative sentence. Nobody will deny that he is a nice man. So it is a negative sentence. So the same meaning we are telling without changing the same sentences only, but without changing the meaning we are telling here. So again we will see the next sentences. Not many women can keep a secret. So it is a negative sentence. Few women can keep a secret. So it is a affirmative sentence. So not many women. So the opposite of many is few. So not many women can keep a secret is a negative sentence. Few women can keep a secret is a affirmative sentence. So here is an exercise part. Express the following sentences into the negative form without changing the meaning. So as we see in the second format, we are going to write this without changing the meaning. We have to transform the sentences into the negative form. Okay, first one, Akbar was greater than Aurangzeb. So without changing the meaning we have to write Aurangzeb was not greater than Akbar. Second one, the rose by any other man would smell as sweet. Any other name would smell as sweet. The rose by any other name would not smell less sweet. As soon as the teacher entered into the class, the students stood up. No soon did the teacher enter the class, then the students stood up. Sometimes he is foolish. He is not also clever. New York is the richest city in the world. No other city in the world is as richest New York. Next we are going to see the second Roman letter. Express the meaning of the following sentences into affirmative form. So now negative sentences will be given. We have to change it in the positive sentence. No one could deny that he was clever. Everyone agreed that he was clever. He did not live many years in India. He lived only for a few years in India. There is no smoke without fire. There is always a smoke where there is a fire. Not many men would be cruel. Every few men are cruel. So this place is not uninteresting. This place is somewhat interesting. Okay, now changing interrogative into assertive. So isn't he a doctor as a interrogative sentence because it comes under a question form. He is a doctor. It is a simple sentence, so it is called as a declarative or assertive sentences. Okay, won't the doctor be over in won't the game be over in our hour as a interrogative sentence because it is also a question format only. The game will be over in an hour as an assertive sentence or declarative sentence since it is a simple sentence. So now here we are going to change the interrogative sentences into a simple sentences. So what the question will be? The questions will be in a question format only, and you have to convert it into the simple format as a declarative or a assertive form. So the first one we can see that change the following interrogatives into assertives. So you have to change the interrogative to the assertive form. First one, is that the way an educated man should behave? It is not the way an educated man should behave. Can anyone ever forget the century that Tendulkar scored? No one can ever forget the century that Tendulkar scored. Why waste time in watching this dull game? We should not waste time in watching this dull game. Is this the kind of dress to wear for the function? This is not the kind of dress to wear for the function. Who does not know our leader? Everyone knows our leader. So, okay, children, these 2 pages you can note down in your grammar book. The rest we'll see in the next class. Thank you.